During his first visit in 1984, Pramukh Swami Maharaj sanctified the beautiful country of Australia. In 1996, in his second visit, he began the tradition of building mandirs on this land. In 1997, Pragat Brahmaswarup Mahant Swami Maharaj visited Canberra. The seeds were sowed for a grand mandir to be gifted to the capital of Australia. On 7th November 2014, while residing in Delhi Akshardham, Mahant Swami Maharaj wrote special blessings for this mandir. Canberra, the capital, will put up a temple that will match the capital. 5 long years later, in 2019, land was finally acquired in the suburb of Taylor. The mandir will be the first of its kind, featuring breathtaking Indian heritage and architecture. Mahant Swami Maharaj had specially sanctified the bricks to be laid in the foundation. The Vedic groundbreaking ceremony was performed on 15th January 2022 by resident Swamis. On the eve of Sri Hari Jayanti festival, with the blessings of Pramukh Swami Maharaj and Mahant Swami Maharaj, construction work officially commenced on 9th of April 2022. Let's explore the foundation and progress of the construction work for the brand new BAPS Hindu Mandir and Community Centre in Canberra. More than 3,000 cubic meters of soil was filled and compacted. What is more unique about this construction is that the foundation works consisted of more than 300 piers installed at a ground depth between 1.5 to 3 meters. Things invisible are more important than things visible. Though the foundation of this mandir will remain invisible, they will uphold the visible mandir for the generations to come. (2,500 square meters of area has been transformed into a concrete slab by pouring 280 cubic meters of concrete.
We have our precast panels going up, so our slab on ground has been poured and now we have the precast going up. So we have a 250-ton crane here today lifting the panels, and over the next 3 days we'll be putting up around a third of the building, and there will be 37 semi-trailers worth of precast panels arriving over the next 2 to 3 days, and there's about 720 tonnes of precast concrete will go up. So in total for the project we've got about 140 precast panels during this next 2 to 2.5 days.
On 17th August 2022, Mahamahopadhyay Pujya Bhadresh Swami visited the Mandir site and sprinkled sanctified flower petals to bless the construction work. This is just the beginning of the beauty which will be added to the capital of Australia. Canberra will be blessed by this BAPS Hindu Mandir and Community Centre with its rich culture, moral values and heritage that will advance peace and harmony around the entire community, territory and country.
Canberra, the capital, will put up a temple that will match the capital. Jai Swaminarayan.